Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Cyansky. Now this here is their Cube 1. Now this is an release candidate. Now I had done this review on their Kickstarter way before. They had a different name for it. I can't remember offhand, but quite a while back. But they wanted to send me a release candidate, of course, in green, my favorite color. So I had a lot of fun doing that Kickstarter for them, and hopefully it helped them out. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what's in. Nice. Yep. Nice little light, man. I had a lot of fun with that other one. It's here somewhere in my office, but not too sure where it went. Might have been taken by one of my kids. And looks like they give you a little strap here to be able to strap it on. One USB Type-C charging cable. One little card here for the warranty. Here's the user manual. I'm not too sure if I can get this kind of on the small side. It folded out here. So try to get these as close and readable as I can. So it's 500 lumens is the highest output that this can do, which is impressive. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. And here's the light. It's got the little RGBs on the sides and up front. Now if I remember correctly, this is magnetic. Not sure if it was the clip that was. Oh, the bottom is. So hands-free that wherever you need it. Small enough. Definitely is a nice little light. Style and design on this is very nice. I was impressed with it back then. Clip here. Clip it on you very easily. Got the COB LED here. Give you that pure flood with the diffused light. You've got the main LED here. Now they don't say what LED they're using. Special optics. You got your 2-switch design. Here's the charging port. I love this green color. Nice compact design. Nice size for EDC in my opinion. And the machining and finish on this is nice. Alright, so now, normally I would open it up, show you the battery, but this is a sealed unit. So now let's go ahead and go through the UI. The UI is pretty straightforward. You got the top and the bottom side switch. We're going to do the bottom one here. Looks like it's locked out. Yeah, I think I hit it too many times. But you got your police strobe changing their and its pattern. Does have memory mode. Forgot I hit too many times first time. So you got the solid red. I believe if you press and hold, so the UI is pretty much the same. Got your different colors, blue, orange, purple, green. There's green. That other one was teal. So the side lights on the RGBs and one up in the front, just like the testing sample that I got. Change the color if you want to do that as well. It's a pretty nice little upgrade that they did there. So you can flash it on any color that you want. It's pretty cool. Okay, so now we're going to turn it off. And now let's go ahead and go to the main LED here. And I believe it's double click again. Yep, just like the original model. Does have memory mode, so if it does shut off on you, raise it up, press and hold, 3 light levels. Let's do, that's impressive light output on this. So now let's turn on the main LED. There's the main LED. I press down and hold to go through those light outputs, or hold it down, it's up to you. You can see here, it's got a large hot spot, a lot of bleeding around the edge of that, and then it just tapers off on the spill. It's to be expected. From off, you got the lowest light output there. So that's nice to be able to conserve the battery. And from there, that's the starting of the UI and goes up from there. That's the, now from off you can press and hold this when you've got it on the side light for the lowest light output on that one as well. Set that down. That'll last a long time. So now we're going to turn on the sensor. Turn it on here, long press of the light there. So now should be able to wave it on and off. Long press of the RGB button. So let's set it up for this as well. So if you have it on your baseball cap, you just wave the light on, and when it's on you can adjust the level and still be able to use that feature. Same thing. Turn it on. I believe it's off now. So you just turn off the light, will disengage the sensor. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward and easy to operate this. really am enjoying having a release candidate here. So let's wait no further. Let's take this Cube 1 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Cyansky Cube 1. We're going to start off on the main LED. See there? Water spout 38 feet, so it's pretty faint at this light level. There it is on the fence, got a large hot spot. So check it out over here, show you the length of the beam. Still pretty good. Alright, go ahead and go up from here. A little bump up. Now remember, 500 lumens. It's not going to have a large amount of range. 38 feet there. And 65 feet to this tree from where I'm standing. Now I have a link to my testing area here should you have any questions or doubts how far things are. Let's go ahead and do the next level. Really has come alive. Hotspot is large. It's all coming out of this little light right here. Now it is making 138 feet. Nice. So you've got about 150 feet probably usable. That's what it looks like to me. Oh yeah. 150 feet at least. 138 feet to that famous tree of life. Man. This seems like it's better performance than the original one that I had reviewed, which was a different name, but same company. Kickstarter, I forgot what it was. It's been a while since I did it. I'm glad to got a release candidate here. I think it's out in my garage somewhere. So that's it on that. So now we're going to do the main LED here on the side. If I can get it here from off. There we go. Now from off here we can do the lowest level on this one. Good for up close. Get that best runtime you can get off of that little side light. Next level up. It's going to be kind of hard to show this at these lower light levels, but kind of do the best that I can here. Let's go up to the next level. Yeah, you can see the water spout 38 feet there. Just a huge wide beam. Falls off pretty abrupt, which is typical. Here's the next level up. Thing is doing really well. This is something that I will be trying out some more here. How wide this beam is. All the way to the ground and all the way up to the trees. Nice. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots on this little Cube 1. Impressive little range on this little light. Definitely super compact, perfect size for EDC. Clip it on you wherever you need light. You have it, whether it be a floodlight, area light, or more of a thrower LED, you've got that as well. It's got some options where you can strap it on, USB charge it on the go, and this thing feels rugged. Now the clip here is plastic, so that could be maybe a weak point on it. Kind of wish they went with the aluminum like they did on the body. But the RGBs, definitely more of eye candy. But this side light steals the show overall. Everything. The sensor is nice to have, to be able to just wave it on, wave it off. Especially if you're working on something and you just need it to come on without having to have your hands do it. You can just wave your hands in front of it and turn it on, and then wave your hands again, turn it off, especially if you're working on your car. I like the fact that it is magnetic. That is always a huge plus. This thing will stick anywhere. Great for emergencies for your vehicle, or if you want to clip it on you and your next adventure, you've got light, emergencies, anything. This will do just fine. These come in different colors to my understanding, so that's nice. Overall, nice build quality as well. Okay, well, I want to thank Cyansky for sending me this Cube 1 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down below the video where you can get this. I'm also working on a special discount code. If I get that, it'll be there as well to help you save some money on this flashlight, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That one can bring more of these Cyansky lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.